beautiful peoples! Hi guys, I'm back. So, for today's unboxing video, parcel unboxing, ay buksan natin yung first for today. For today lang. Kasi a lot are coming up. Oh, dalawa to siya. Okay. Hindi siya naka-bubble wrap, but still, nasa loob. Diyan! Ang talaga ng sariling ring light ng Honor X9C. Meron siya kasi sariling ring light. So, dalawa siya, and I chose brown and yellow. Since may red na ako, other color naman ang ating gagamitin for the tuwalya. It's a buy one, take one. Yeah! It's a buy one, take one. Oh, malaki. So, para siyang microfiber. Nag-a-adjust talaga yung phone ko. Usa siyang ma-adjust. Mahaba. Mahaba. Walang problema. Madaling labhan, pero kapag nagbasa, sigurado mabigat. Pero carry lang. So, this one is yellow. Ang ganda. Soft. So, lalaban ko muna siya. Dapat in-unbox ko na ito nung nakaraan, no? And, ayan, yung brown. So, far, so good. Oh, meron siya sariling, sabitan para sa hook. Ayan, para gano'n lang siya. Ito ba, yung sa kabila? Meron din. So, I am wearing the same shirt last August 16. And eto na po yung necklace na ginamit ko. So, ito yung niya, yung necklace, and ito yung pendant. And andyan na sa loob yung obsidian. So, siya, amulet holder, pero pag ganun, it's bukas siya, tapos ginaganon lang, sinasara para i-hold yung stone. So, it's an obsidian stone. So, balik tayo dito. I am very happy with my new Voodoo finds. So, ayan guys. Ay, hindi na ako nakikita. Maliwanag na maliwanag kasi merong sariling ring light yung cellphone ko. Pero kanina nawawala-wala yung Magsusot sana ako ng parang same get up ba? Yung ganon. Kaya lang, so ayan, nakikita niyo yung phone. Nagre-reflect siya. So, ika-compare natin yung pagmumukha ko. Way back, August 16, 2025 to December 10, 2025. After, ilan ba? After, September, October, November. 3 months and a half, or almost 4 months. This is my pagmumukha. So, I was very plump that time. And, okay lang, kahit hindi ganun kabilis yung pagbabago, but at least, may pagbabago. Ayan, so, that's all muna. Kasi meron pa tayong i-unbox na pangalawa. And the rest is history. Next week, maybe. It depends. So, ayan guys, I'm very happy with this. It's a microfiber. So soft. Pero hindi ko pwedeng sa face ko kasi hindi ko alam kung malinis ba ito or malinis ba ito. So we have to be very careful because our face is our treasure. Hindi. Bawal acne. Okay, without further ado, so that's all muna for today guys. Join me again on my next unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I love you all. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. Bye. God bless everyone.